count 4 wall improver level line dance with restarts on walls 2, 4, and 6, all after 16 counts. Now this dance is technically a 2+2 wall dance because you dance a 12 and 6 wall 2 wall dance until the first restart, and then you will dance a side wall 2 wall dance, and it will rotate between each restart in this dance. I'm going to turn around and break down the dance section by section using steps and counts. We'll then practice the front wall all the way through with steps and counts, talk about where those 3 restarts happen, and then go around and dance 7 walls of the dance so that you know how it flows, so you can hopefully dance this on a dance floor near you. So let's turn around and learn bigger mistakes. Section 1, your weight's going to start on your left foot. We're going to stomp our right foot to the right side, and now we're going to cross our left behind our right. Quickly step our right foot to the right side, and you're going to do a crossing shuffle, left over right, cross left over right, right side, left over right. We're now going to rock our right foot to the right side, and as you recover, you're going to make a quarter turn over your left shoulder, putting your weight onto your left foot to face 9 o'clock. We're now going to make a half turn over our left shoulder, stepping back with our right, and another half turn over your left shoulder, stepping forward with your left to end facing 9 o'clock. Let's try that with some counts, stomping to the side. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 2, we're going to rock forward with our right foot, recover onto your left, and you're going to do a right coaster cross, stepping your right foot back, left together, crossing right over left. You're going to rock your left foot to the left side, recover onto your right, and we're going to weave left behind, right side, left cross. Let's try that with some counts, rocking forward. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Section 3, we're going to do toe switches. We're going to point our right toe to the right side. We're going to quickly step our right foot next to our left and point our left toe to the left side. We're going to quickly step our left next to our right. We're going to do a big step forward with our right and step our left next to our right, taking weight onto our left foot. You're now going to step your right foot out to the side, step your left foot out to the side, and we're going to do a counterclockwise hip roll around from left to right and putting your weight onto your left foot. We're now going to do a knee dip, so we're going to bend that right knee, and as we bring it in towards the left, we're going to bend our left knee and slightly twist our body with the knee. Now we're going to recover that knee by straightening our left and slightly twisting our right out to the right side, keeping weight onto your left foot. Let's try it with some counts. We just crossed our left over our right. We're pointing to the side. 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. Section 4 in our final section of the dance. We're going to do a right sailor step. We're going to cross our right behind our left, step our left foot out to the side, our right foot out to the side. We're now going to do a quarter sailor step over our left shoulder. You're going to make that quarter turn, stepping back with your left foot. Step your right foot out to the side, step your left foot out to the side. You're now facing 6 o'clock. We're going to end by doing 2 toe strut hip bumps. We're going to take our right toe, touch it forward, and as you do that, you're going to bump your hip forward with the right, back with the left, forward with the right, taking weight onto your right foot. You're now going to repeat that with the left, so you're going to touch your left toe forward, bump your hip forward, bump it back, bump forward, putting weight onto your left foot, and that is the end of the dance. So let's try that last part with some counts. Weights on your left foot, you're doing your right sailor step. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. And that is the whole dance. So now let's face the front. We're going to do it through 1 time with steps and 1 time with counts. Weight is on your left foot, you're stomping with the right. Stomp, behind side, crossing shuffle, side rock, quarter recover, half, half, rock, recover, coaster, cross, side rock, recover, weave, behind side cross. Point step, big step together, out, out, hip, roll, knee dip, recover, right sailor step, left sailor quarter turn, toe strut hip bump, toe strut hip bump. Weights on your left foot, you're facing 6 o'clock to start wall 2. So now let's turn around and do it with some counts. Weight is on your left foot, you're stomping to the right. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. And now that's the whole dance. So now let's talk about the restarts. The restarts happen on walls 2, 4, and 6, all after 16 counts. So wall 2 is technically our 6 o'clock facing wall. You will be starting the dance over with your stomp. you're going to dance 16 counts and then restart the dance. So let's dance up to that 16 counts, stomping your right foot to the side, stomp, behind side, crossing shuffle, rock, quarter, recover, half, half, rock, recover, coaster, cross side, rock, recover, behind side, cross. Right here is 16 counts. You'll be facing 3 o'clock to start wall 3. You will dance wall 3 all the way through, putting 9 o'clock. That becomes wall 4. We're now going to dance 16 counts of wall 4, stomping that right foot to the right side, stomp, behind side, crossing shuffle, rock, quarter, recover, half, half, rock, recover, coaster, cross side, rock, recover, behind side, cross. This will now become wall 5. You will dance wall 5 all the way through to face 12 o'clock. You will then dance wall 6, 16 counts and restart. So stomping that foot to the side, stomp, behind side, crossing shuffle, side rock, quarter, recover, half, half, rock, recover, coaster, cross side, rock, recover, behind side, cross. At this point, you will now dance wall 7 to the side, and you will dance the rest of the dance facing 3 and 9. Let's go all the way around now. On the front and the 3 o'clock wall, I'm going to do steps, and on the back and the 9 o'clock wall, I'm going to do counts. Starting with wall 1, facing 12 o'clock, stomping that right foot to the side. Stomp, behind side, crossing shuffle, rock, quarter, recover, half, half, rock, recover, coaster, cross side, rock, recover, behind side, cross. Point step, big step together, out, out, hip, roll, knee, dip, recover. Sailor, step, sailor, quarter, turn, toe, short, hip bump, toe, short, hip bump. Wall 2, 16 counts. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Restart for wall 3. Stomp, behind side, crossing shuffle, rock, quarter, recover, half, half, rock, recover, coaster, cross side, rock, recover, behind side, cross. Point step, big step together, out, out, hip, roll, knee, dip, recover. Sailor, step, sailor, quarter, turn, toe, short, hip bumps, toe, short, hip bumps. Wall 4, 16 counts. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Restart for wall 5. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 16 counts of wall 6. Stomp, behind side, crossing shuffle, side rock, quarter, recover, half, half, rock, recover, coaster, cross side, rock, recover, restart, dance. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. And that is the whole dance. If you have any questions, let me know, but I hope this helps you learn bigger mistakes. Thanks, guys.